क्या सुनाने वाले हैं? चल जाएगा। सो कान्हा आज हमें रिपब्लिक डे पे छोटी सी स्पीच देंगे।
इंडिया दैट इज भारत, यह वाक्य भारतीय संविधान के प्रथम पृष्ठ पर उल्लेखित है। भारत के 10वें प्रधानमंत्री स्वर्गीय श्री अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी के अनुसार भारत जमीन का टुकड़ा नहीं, जीता जागता राष्ट्र पुरुष है। हिमालय इसका मस्तक है, गौरी शंकर शिखर है। यह वंदन की भूमि है, अभिनंदन की भूमि है। यह तर्पण की भूमि है, यह अर्पण की भूमि है। इसका कंकर कंकर शंकर है, इसका कंकर कंकर शंकर है। इसका बिंदु बिंदु गंगा जल है। हम जिएंगे तो इसके लिए, हम मरेंगे तो इसके लिए। ऑनरेबल मिस्टर प्रेसिडेंट, Mr. Secretary, and very distinguished audience in attendance of Bhagirathi Cooperative Housing Society, Roorkee. A very good morning to each one of you. I, Athar Sharma, alias Kanha, a pre-teen child welcomed in your midst, makes this spectacle all the more thrilling and enjoyable. As a matter of fact, it has always been a pleasure meeting you, especially on national festivals. I take this opportunity to thank the cultural committee with all the humbleness at my command for the invite to address this august gathering. Honorable audience, the 76th Republic Day marks a momentous historic milestone for the world's largest and most dynamic democracy. Since time is at premium, therefore, without further ado, I extend my heartiest greetings to one and all present here to commemorate India's 76th Republic Day. Today, the whole nation is pledging allegiance to the Republic of India. Honorable audience, the subject matter of my speech is the Indian Constitution and its preamble. The Constitution's opening words, "We, the people of India," carry a deep meaning, establishes citizens' ultimate authority. Preamble is a North Star which satisfies people's hopes and aspirations. It is also a lighthouse in challenging and daunting situations. Now I conclude, this masterpiece is tribute to the profound foresight coupled with unflinching and unwavering dedications of founding fathers of our Constitution. It is an occasion to reflect and reaffirm the core values and guiding principles of our Constitution. It is incumbent upon all of us to uphold the constitutional morality. We should always remember that our Constitution is a lasting legacy of our country's founding fathers. Last but not the least, the democracy without education is a hypocrisy without limitation. Thank you for listening me patiently. Thank you very much.